Aloha! Sachi Hawaii's Damon Reese here. Welcome to this week's 60-second open house. Today's open house we feature a beautiful modern fusion architecturally styled home in Upper Hahaione Valley in Hawaii Kai. One of the best features of this home is the 360-degree view from Tahitian-like mountainscape to beautiful Mauna Lua Bay, Coco Head, and ocean views beyond. The home also features travertine and bamboo flooring along with blue Bahia granite countertops from Italy. It also features over 1,750 square feet of both indoor and outdoor lanai areas, making it the ultimate in indoor-outdoor living. Come check it out with me! Another benefit of living in this neighborhood and in Hawaii Kai in general is the public school system, which has just implemented the IB, which stands for International Baccalaureate, making them the best public schools in Hawaii and amongst the best in the country. If you have any questions about this property or this neighborhood, please do not hesitate to give me, Damon Reese, a call. And aloha!